Good morning, boys and girls. Good morning, Teacher Grace.
Good morning, Teacher Jill.
And Boots and Dora.
Good morning.
And how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you, Teacher Jill?
Yes, I'm fine, thank you. Do you know what day it is today?
It's
Friday! My favourite.
Me too.
Is it your favourite? What about you, boys and girls? Do you have a favourite day of the week? Yes, Friday's always a happy day. Okay, let's see if you can remember the pets that we learned a couple of weeks ago. Dora, do you know what this is?
A dog.
Very good. It's a dog. It's a dog. Okay. Boots, what is this?
It's a cat.
It's a cat. Okay. Dora, what is this?
It's a rabbit.
It's a rabbit. Thank you, Boots. And Dora, what is this?
It's a fish.
It's a fish. Very good. Well done. You remembered all the pets that we learned. Okay. Can you remember the animals that we learned yesterday? Let's see. I'm going to show them to you very slowly, and I want you to guess what it is. Are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Okay. What is this?
It's a pig.
Yeah, very good. Did you see that, boys and girls? It's a pig. And what sound does a pig make? Oink, 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 oink. Very good. Okay, the next one. I'm going to show it to you slowly.
It's a duck.
Very good. High five. It's a duck. And what sound does a duck make?
Quack, quack,
Quack, quack, quack, quack. Very good. Okay, here's the next animal. Get ready. What is it?
It's a horse.
It's a horse. And what sound does a horse make?
Neigh.
Neigh, neigh. Good job. Okay, get ready for the next animal. Slowly. Here it is. What is it?
It's a sheep.
It's a sheep. Very good. And what sound does a sheep make?
Ba.
Ba, ba. Very good. Okay, the next animal is coming. Get ready to see the next animal. What is it?
It's a cow.
It's a cow. And what sound does a cow make?
Moo.
Moo. Okay, here comes the next animal. What is it?
It's a turkey.
It's a turkey. And what sound does a turkey make?
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Gobble, 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 gobble. Okay. Now I'm going to show you two more animals and see if you can tell me what they are. What's this? Boots, do you know what it is?
It's a mouse.
It's a mouse. What sound does a mouse make? Squeak, 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 squeak. Very good. And the last one is a chicken. And what sound does a chicken make? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Okay, shall we sing a song about all the animals and what sounds they make? And you have to guess what animal is going to come next, okay? There we go. Okay, let's sing along with the song now.
See the animals here today. They love to talk and they love to play. They're having such fun, they're sure to stay. But what do the animals say? Woof, 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 woof.
What is it?
It's a dog.
Oh!
See the animals here today. They love to talk and they love to play. They're having such fun, they're sure to stay. But what do the animals say? Meow, 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 meow.
What is it?
It's a cat. See the animals here today. They love to talk and they love to play. They're having such fun, they're sure to stay. But what do the animals say? Moo, 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 moo. It's a cow. See the animals here today. They love to talk and they love to play. They're having such fun, they're sure to stay. But what do the animals say? Quack, 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 quack.
What is it?
It's a duck. See the animals here today. They love to talk and they love to play. They're having such fun, they're sure to stay. But what do the animals say? Ba, 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 ba.
What is it?
It's a sheep. See the animals here today. They love to talk and they love to play. They're having such fun, they're sure to stay. But what do the animals say? Oink, 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 oink.
What's that?
It's a pig.
Pig.
See the animals here today. They love to talk and they love to play. They're having such fun, they're sure to stay. But what do the animals say? Neigh, 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 neigh.
What is it?
It's a horse.
Horse.
See the animals here today. They love to talk and they love to play. They're having such fun, they're sure to stay. But what do the animals say? Cluck, 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 cluck. It's a chicken.
Yeah.
See the animals here today. They love to talk and they love to play. They're having such fun, they're sure to stay. But what do the animals say? Squeak, 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 squeak.
What is it?
It's a mouse. See the animals here today. They love to talk and they love to play. They're having such fun, they're sure to stay. Now you know what the animals say.
Did you like that song, boys and girls? And did you guess all the animals? I'm sure you know them now, don't you? Know what they say. Okay, so it's time for Teacher Grace and Dora and Boots and Teacher Jill to say goodbye. So goodbye everyone. See you again soon. Bye bye.